My study is related to my dissertation, which is on environmental governance, on solid waste management, using social-private partnerships. This project is in partnership with Toyota Auto Parts. These multinational corporations supported this project. As a matter of fact, it resulted to a partnerships between Toyota Auto Parts and De La Salle University. They provided support for thesis and dissertation grant, for the Behavioral Sciences Department, particularly on issues related to solid waste management in the city of Santa Rosa. It was a project wherein it involves schools, industries, local churches. It includes solid waste segregation. It also involves a livelihood program for recyclables, which were converted into crafts. As a result of this project, many people become curious on how solid waste management is important in the community and in the city as a whole. It resulted to a cleaner city in Santa Rosa, I should say. I think in terms of sustainability, whether it's a research project or a community development project, partnerships and collaboration will be an important factor in sustainability. So I intend to ensure that when the project is completed, the schools will gain ownership of this project, so that even after the project life, they will continue working on the project. Particularly, I think the school children would be a good agent of change. So I'm going to ensure that school children will be utilized to influence the behavior of members of the family. And therefore, when you influence the school children, you're influencing the entire family and you're influencing the entire community.